Got the yurt all set up for the camp night. I just got to put the other blanket in here. Got a mattress in there. A little power station. There's a light. But we're going to go have some s'mores. Alright. Let's go to the s'mores area. Bom bom. Got my daughter here scrolling through on the projector. This is the barrel we're going to make some s'mores in. It's our little setup here. I know it's a little dark, bear with me. So, we're going to do some s'mores, we're going to watch a movie, and then we'll head into the yurt. Let's get some s'mores.
So, by the way, I don't know how to open that.
Just, sure, like that.
That's exactly how you do it.
That's exactly how you do it. Just like that. Huh?
I do it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 It up in the room.
Mm-hmm.
That entire wall with the
Nice. The graham crackers are broken.
I think she's holding on for dear life.
Think she is? Let me see it.
In fact, do not think I'm doing this right. She is holding on for dear life.
No, you're getting her.
keep it out for a second.
You're about to lose it, though.
Yeah, that's why I said she's
There
holding
we go.
on.
Keep her out of there for 1 second. Ash all over it.
A lone rider. A dystopian world. A land that's gone to waste. How did this world get so broken? Well, that all began 500 years ago. Come on, Trap.
It was already pretty soft, so yeah, bring it up here. You're about to lose it.
Oh yeah. And we lived harmoniously alongside dragons, magical creatures who brought us water and rain and peace. It was paradise.
I will be back.
Okay.
But then
Alright, so the temperature is going to drop tonight to a low of, well, before I get up and go to work, 41. It is currently 63. I've got a fire started outside to heat up the air around me. And I have, let me pull this off. A clay pot with a candle. And what the goal is here, we're going to heat up the clay pot and use it to get some warmer air in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get it going. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. 1, 2. Whew. That's about as bad as it was getting the fire going outside. 3. And then this goes over top of it, and it's going to create heat. As you can see, it's getting windy outside, so I'm not going to bore you and keep you sitting here. I'm going to let this run for a little bit. Yeah. And I'll bring you back here in a bit. I'm going to do some stuff outside and get ready for the cold. Alright, we're pretty much in for the night. I'll have to get up here in a little bit, put another couple logs on the fire outside. Like I said, I got the fire outside and I got the clay pot here inside. It's rather warm in here, really. But one thing I wanted to talk about is I had an idea for this thing. To build a base and stand it up higher so I can, I can still stake it down to the base, but I can enclose the base and I can have more standing room around it. Because right now you can stand on the side, which is fine, but what would it be like to have more standing room here? So to build the base, stand it up, tack it down, and just get a tarp around it. And I'm also thinking about getting emergency blanket for the inside to see if that'll help keep it a little more insulated. Like I said, it's warm enough in here. I mean, sweater, I'm good to go. I got the clay pot fire outside. But I mean, my mind works like that. I think of ways, can I make this to where I can stand up in a little more area? Can I do something here? I could build a box here, have the pole up, and that would give me a table in the middle. Stuff like that. I really want to do a longer survival challenge with the yurt. I really enjoy this tent. So far, it's been my favorite tent. I have my 2-man dome tent at the house I wanted to make a video with, but it's a small tent, and I have camped in that one. And I filmed a video, but all the footage got lost from corrupt SD card, which really made me mad. But that video, I think it would have been boring, to be honest with you. I mean, I cooked some skyline chili in that video. And, oh yeah, this blanket is really thick, so that's also going to be nice and warm for me tonight. I slept on that mattress right there the first night, and it was rough. So this came out of a couch that was at my mom's other house that was going to the dump. I just cut the mattress off and I brought it so I have something to sleep on. Yeah. I wish I had a thermometer so I could tell you what the temp is. Yeah, this thing's nice and warm though. I can feel the heat coming off of it. This should be a good sleep. But I'm gonna sit here and unwind, get the shoes and socks off, and I'll bring you back here in a bit. All right.